G'day guys, welcome back to MG Rebuild. Today we're going to set aside the rear axle because I'm still waiting for a couple of parts to come in, and I've got a little bit of news on the rear axle, what I'm going to do in the future, but also I'm actually going to start working on the front end. Okay, the actual wheel cylinders, these are the ones from the front and the original ones. I'm going to try and see if I can rebuild them. One, cost effective of course, and secondly just something a little bit different. A lot of people just replace them for the sake of it, but I'm going to see if I can reuse them. So the only problem is, that's the little piston in there. It's stuck. Okay, now a good way to actually get them out is either compressed air down through the actual position where, well, not position, but the hole where the brake fluid goes, or another way is to put a grease nipple in there, which we'll just do this now. Tighten him up. And then pump grease into it. And if you watch, after a few pumps of the gun, the piston comes out. So all you got to do then, there we go. All you got to do then is just clean out the grease that's inside where the piston was, and reassemble. Inside the actual piston bore, you can actually see some corrosion in there. So that needs to be honed out. Now I've got my honing shoes, have been soaking in some brake fluid, some .5. This is the one I use. So Penrite 5.5, so not 5.1. This is .5. The difference being one's 5.1 will actually attract moisture, so don't use that one. A little bit more to go. Put a bit more lube in there, some brake fluid. And as you can see, it's all nice and clean and shiny in there again now. Okay, now when I pull these wheel cylinders apart, they actually had been rebuilt 20 years ago, as everything else was on this car. However, there was only the piston seal, the little black cap on there. The actual spring and the little valve body there, was missing. So obviously I've got a new kit for that, and we'll pop it all together. Okay guys, today's a different day. Unfortunately my camera actually had run out of memory when I was filming the last part, so I obviously couldn't do anything with that. So what I've done, I've pulled the wheel cylinder apart, and I'm going to finish off the rebuild so I can show you what I did. Okay, as we went on the last episode, last video, the ball's all been honed out, so it's all nice and clean now. It's just a matter of putting brake fluid into the bore, lube it up nicely, same with the valve body and the spring, and also the actual piston cup, just like that, and that just slides up inside it. Just And then the piston, I have cleaned it up a fair bit. She was corroded a little bit, so and there's a good clean, and that slides on there. Bit of a wipe down, and it's all done. So that's the end of this episode. So all the brake cylinders have now been rebuilt, and next episode I actually will be reassembling the front brakes, and with a bit of luck, depending on time, I might even get it to put them onto the actual onto the chassis. There's a fair bit of work though, so it might be over a couple of episodes. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also click on those post notifications so you don't miss an episode. So until next episode, see you later.